Well, that was exciting music. Let's just hope this English workshop assignment's just as exciting. Go ahead and get out your book. I'll tell you what page to turn to. Today's lesson is going to be about prepositional phrases and objects of preposition. And so you're going to need to turn in your book to page 141, and you're going to need to get out a blue pen or a black pen and a highlighter, and then you'll be ready for the assignment. Okay, let's go ahead and highlight Rule 12A. A phrase is a group of related words that is used as a single part of speech and does not contain both a predicate and its subject. So let's look at a few examples. Should have listened is a verb phrase. It has no subject. Between Marika and Martin is a prepositional phrase. It has no subject or verb. And so let's continue and look at the next part here. Okay, some prepositions are made up of more than one word, like in front of or prior to. Also, an article or some other modifier might appear in a prepositional phrase. So let's look at some examples. Zahara built a model airplane for her brother. The object of the preposition is brother. The possessive pronoun her modifies brother. So the whole prepositional phrase is for her brother. Let's look at the next one. When will she give the birthday present to him? To is the preposition, him is the object of the preposition. So the whole prepositional phrase is to him. The last example, our new bus stop is in front of the supermarket. In front of is the preposition, supermarket is the object of preposition, and then the is an adjective modifying which supermarket. Objects of prepositions may be compound. Heavy snow fell throughout the day and night. Throughout is a preposition. Day and night are both objects of prepositions, and so the whole prepositional phrase is throughout the day and night. Let's look at the next one. In addition to you and me, 6 other people are coming. In addition to is the preposition. You and me are the two objects of preposition. The entire prepositional phrase is in addition to you and me. The last example, our bus stop is in front of the supermarket and the laundromat. In front of is the preposition. Supermarket and laundromat are the objects of preposition. The entire prepositional phrase is in front of the supermarket and the laundromat. So you have some additional little adjectives in there, like the modifiers the and the in front of laundromat as well. Alright, let's do exercise 1 now, identifying prepositions and their objects. In each of the following sentences, underline the preposition and draw an arrow from the preposition to its object. Number 1, our voices echoed, example, number 1, our voices echoed loudly inside the empty house. Inside the empty house is a prepositional phrase. Inside is a preposition, house is the object of the preposition, the and empty are both modifiers. Okay, do number 1 through 10 now, and then and pause the video as you're doing so, and when you're finished, turn the video back on and you can check your answers. Okay, on number 1, it should read, 2 of Mr. Johnson's children play the violin. Of Mr. Johnson's children is the prepositional phrase, of is the preposition, and children is the object of preposition. Mr. Johnson's is actually modifying whose children, which children. Now let's turn the page and check numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, as you check your answers on this page, if you have any questions, just come and ask me and I'll clarify for you, how I've drawn the lines on the answer key, or if you don't still understand what an object of a preposition is, please come see me. But you're finished with this assignment after you check these answers, and you can move on to the next one. Good job. I hope you did well on this, and please just remember when a word is used as an object in a sentence, because you're going to need to know this for your daily language and your daily language quizzes, and then also just when you're writing your essays for me. So hopefully this has been helpful today.